Welcome to Julie the Thrifty Designer. I got my carpet in and my new bedroom set in my bedroom. I'm going to show it to you. So stay tuned and see what it looks like. Hey, sorry guys, I didn't get a chance to do any St. Patty's Day decorating. I was going to try to set a table up for y'all, but it just didn't work out for me. I just had too much going on here. So anyway, you all take care and watch my video. Okay, here's going to be another project of painting to match my end tables. I don't know if you remember it, when I'm doing the basement where I'm remodeling or trying to organize my basement stuff, this was down there covered with spray paint and stickers. And here's the other parts of it covered with stickers and some spray paint and stuff. So I'm going to be scraping them off and figuring out what to do about the spray paint from there, and I'm going to paint this antique cabinet. There's a sticker on this side. I've scraped the other one off. There was one right here. It's sticky, but I gotta scrape it off. So this antique cabinet is just in such bad shape that through the years of all this stuff, I'm just actually gonna just paint it. I'm gonna actually fill in this hole and put a knob there. And the same over here, fill in this hole and put a knob there. Because my daughter spray painted those, but they're supposed to be like that. But since I'm actually doing the silver, I want it to match with the knobs. So this will pull it all together. I think it's gonna look really good when I get done, and I'll show you the after. Okay, here is this old beat up dresser with the stickers off and the handles. I've taken them off. So I've got to put some putty and fill in there and there and there. And then I'm going to fill in the outer holes, and I got to go get me some knobs. And then I need to do some sanding to kind of get rid of some of these scratches. And I need to try to de-sticky it. I've got to figure out what I got to do for that, and I'll figure it out. My husband's actually going to bring something home from work that takes spray paint off of stuff, and it may take the sticky off, and I might be able to just wipe this down and actually be able to just really work with it here soon. So I'm just showing you kind of the before of what it's going to look like. It's a short, but it's a Highboy. I think it's going to look neat when I get done. It will and should match that when my end table when I get done. Okay, here's what it looks like with the stickers off, and then I used some wood filler and filled in the holes and all the chipped areas where the veneer has peeled off of this beauty. So at the moment, it's not pretty, but stay tuned and see what it's going to look like. Well, now here is how I painted and finished off my Highboy. I think it looks very, very pretty. Kind of giving it a little bit of wood grain. I showed you in my last video how I did this. I have 3 different colors of paint. Dark, darker, and even darker to create this. And then I literally just painted on with streaks of all the different colors. And I just paint them on and then I blend them out. And when I get something that's a little too strong and I don't like it, I'll zigzag the brush when it's wet to take it and then I'll brush it through and it'll spread it out and make it look a little bit whiter. And that's how it works. But that's how it turned out. I think it turned out beautiful. I love it. Well, dirty, filthy, nasty floor. I knew it was bad, but I didn't realize it was this bad. How embarrassing to think it was this bad. But here's the before with our bedroom empty completely. Wow, it's crazy looking. So we get to see an after this is done. Yay, the carpet comes in today. By the way, sorry, I'm just taking a... Well, guess what? The new carpet is in. I love it. It is so nice. And I didn't have any seams. We got a 15-foot wide carpet and it worked perfect. They didn't have to seam anything. I'm excited. Now I'll get to decorating. It's gonna be awesome. Yay! Wow, love it. One of these days we're gonna close this whole area in right here and actually build in really nice shelves instead of what's here. But it's gonna be nice when we finally get it all done the way I want it. Love, love, love it. Okay, I'm letting you have a sampling of a little bit of the decorating that I'm going to be doing in here. But you're just gonna have to stay tuned for the finishing. You can see there's nothing over here, which I'm not sure what I'm going to do over there yet. But I wanted to show you the more or less finish. To turn back service blankets for now. Tomorrow our new mattress comes. And then I'll be messing with the bedding, and I'm going to put a whole lot more accessories up. I'm going to do it in a beautiful way. But I can hardly wait for you to see it. So stay tuned for that. That's in another video though. Enjoy. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing what it looks like. You're going to have to stay tuned to see when I finish decorating it with all the really amazing decorating I have in mind. You saw a small sampling, but that's not all that it's going to be. So watch for another video at another time when I get it done. But I hope you like this transformation so far. It looks pretty amazing to my opinion. Anyway, y'all take care and God bless and happy decorating. Enjoy decorating, guys. It's a lot of fun. Take care now.